Hello my friend, hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to my absolute kitchen. Today we are making you very simple and easy to make avocado red kidney bean salad. Very nice for summer gathering, for your barbecues. 3 cups of red kidney bean, which I soaked overnight and boiled it the next day. And then you need about 2 avocado and about 15 cherry tomato and about a couple of sprigs of cilantro, half red onion finely chopped, 1 clove of garlic, half of jalapeno. If you don't like spicy stuff, you can omit the jalapeno. 1 lemon, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin and a pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Then you mix everything, all the ingredients together, and then you got fabulous salad. Alright, so we add our tomato and mix everything together, and then you add your avocado. Okay, now you add your red onion, your garlic, and your jalapeno, and then you mix everything, and then we add about 1/4 of cumin. If you don't like cumin, you can always omit. And then we add our olive oil, salt. You can always taste and then adjust. If you need more salt, you can add more salt if you squeeze our lemon. So I'm doing half lemon now. Before we add the other half, we make sure we taste it. I'm gonna add my other lemon because I like the citrusy flavor, so it needs another lemon, and then of course more salt. Last one, I'll add my cilantro. Actually, cilantro gives a very nice flavor. It is perfect. So here you go, your red kidney bean salad. This is the last result. My son, his favorite is the red kidney avocado salad, so he's enjoying it right now. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and let me know if you make this salad, how you like it. Any feedback welcome. Thank you.